How to add topics to Instagram Reels. So all you have to do is to go directly to your Instagram application here and create your Reels video. So in video here, let's create a new Reel video here. And then the next thing that you want to do is to tap on next. Now, if you're done editing, you're done doing everything here, just tap on next on the bottom part here. And before sharing it, you will see these options. So as you can see, also share to feed, share to reels, and then you will see tag people, add topics, rename audio, and here tap on add topics here and select up to 3 topics, so you can choose maximum of 3 topics. So this is very important for you to choose. It's because it's all about algorithm, right? Now, if you choose, for example, your reels is about vacation and activities, well, people who always search for vacation and activities, there is a high possibility that they can actually see your video, or it's about visual and arts. So those people who are fond of arts or always search for arts, they can see your video here. It's all about the algorithm. Now here, and if you're done adding your video, adding topics, tap on done on the upper right here and tap on share. And basically that is how you add topics to Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.